In this video, it will show you step by step how you can change YouTube username just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? And click in your profile picture over here, okay? And go to YouTube Studio, okay? Click on YouTube Studio. You will be directly in this page over here, okay? So you have your dashboard. Scroll down, okay? Keep scrolling down over here. Go to customization, okay? And click on customization like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here on basic info, okay? Like this. Scroll down, and here you go. This is your YouTube username. You can delete this username and you can put new username that you want to use, okay? For example, I will use YouTube one and see if it's available. Okay, for example, let's try this. Okay, let's try like this, and here you go. So this username is available, so you can click over here on publish and your YouTube username will be changed. That's how you can change YouTube username. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.